L. Standard 194C. Non-metallic restrained joint pipe and couplings shall be utilized specifically for C900 PVC pipe and fittings in sizes 4 inches-12 inches D. Each restraint system shall be packaged individually and include installation instructions. 3. Specific requirements. A. Restrainer for PVC C900/C905 and ductile iron push-on type connections. 1 pipe restraints shall be utilized to prevent movement for push-on D. I. Or PVC, C900 and C905, compression type, bell and spigot pipe connections or where a dresser style, flexible, coupling has been used to join 2 sections of plain end pipe D. I. Or PVC, C900 and C905. The restrainer may be adapted to connect a plain end D. I. Or PVC pipe to a ductile iron mechanical joint, MJ, bell fitting. The restrainer must not be directionally sensitive. 2. The pipe shall be restrained by a split retainer band. The band shall be cast ductile iron, meeting or exceeding ASTM A536-80, grade 6545-12. The inside face or contact surface of the band shall be of sufficient width to incorporate cast or machined non-directionally sensitive serration to grip the outside circumference of the pipe. The serration shall provide full, 360 degrees, contact and maintain pipe roundness and avoid any localized points of stress. The split band casting shall be designed to bottom out before clamping. Bolt forces, 110 feet lb minimum torque, can overstress the pipe, but will provide full non-directionally sensitive restraint at the rated pressures. 3 bolts and nuts used to attach the split retainer ring shall comply with ANSI B18 and 2/18-2 SAE grade 5T bolts, nuts, and restraining rods shall be fabricated from high-strength, low-alloy steel per AWWAC 111-94. The split ring type non-directionally sensitive restrainer system shall be capable of a test pressure twice the maximum sustained working pressure listed in section D and B for both D, I, and or PVC C905 restraint system sizes 6 through 12 inches shall be capable of use for both ductile iron and or PVC C906. The restraint system may consist of 2 types. The 2 split retainer rings, and for new construction use only the 1 split and 1 solid cast backup ring. B. Compression ring fitting restrainer for ductile iron pipe and PVC C901 compression ring with follower gland type of restrainer may be utilized in conjunction with mechanical joint, MJ, bell and ductile iron pipe fittings for restraining PVC C900 and ductile iron pipe. 2. The system shall utilize a standard MJ gasket with a color-coded compression ring and replacement gland conforming to ASTM A536-80, grade 65-45-12. 3. Standard MJ fitting T-bolts and nuts shall be fabricated from high-strength steel conforming to AWWAC 111/A20-111-90 and AWWAC 153/A20-153-88. 4. Standard MJ gasket shall be virgin SBR meeting ASTM D2003 BA 715 or 3 BA 515. 5. The restraint system shall be capable of a test pressure twice the maximum sustained working pressure listed in section D. C. Non-metallic restrained joint pipe and couplings for PVC C900 type connections. 1 gasketed restrained coupling connections shall join 2 sections of factory grooved PVC C900 pipe. The restrainer coupling must not be directionally sensitive. 2. The coupling shall incorporate twin elastomeric sealing gaskets meeting the requirements of ASTM F477 and shall be DR14 class 200 C900 PVC in all applications, meeting or exceeding the performance requirements of AWWAC 900, latest revision. The inside face or contact surface of the coupling connection shall be of sufficient width to incorporate a factory machined non-directionally sensitive groove in both pipe and coupling to grip the outside circumference of the pipe. The couplings shall provide full, 360 degrees, contact and maintain pipe roundness and avoid localized points of stress. The coupling shall be designed with an internal stop to align the precision machined grooves in the coupling and pipe prior to installation of a non-metallic thermoplastic restraint spleen, and will provide full non-directionally sensitive restraint at the rated pressures. 3 high-strength flexible thermoplastic spleens shall be inserted into mating precision, machined grooves in the pipe and coupling to provide full non-directional restraint with evenly distributed loading. 4. The non-metallic restraint joint pipe and couplings for PVC C900 type non-directionally sensitive restrainer system shall be capable of a test pressure twice the maximum sustained working pressure listed in section D and B for PVC C900 pipe, sizes 4 inches through 12 inches. 5. Non-metallic restraint joint pipe and couplings for PVC C900 restraint system sizes 4 inches through 12 inches shall be capable of use for both class 150, DR18, and 4 inches through 8 inches for class 200, DR14, PVC C900 pipe. 6. The non-metallic restraint joint pipe and couplings for PVC C900 restraint system shall consist of a pipe and coupling system produced by the same manufacturer meeting the performance qualifications of Factory Mutual, FM, and Underwriters Lab, UL. D. Retainer gland for ductile iron pipe, only. 1. Radial bolt type restrainer systems shall be limited to ductile iron pipe in conjunction with mechanical joint, MJ, bell end pipe of fittings. The system shall utilize a standard MJ gasket with a ductile iron replacement gland conforming to ASTM A536-80. The gland dimensions shall conform to standard MJ bolt circle criteria. 2. Individual wedge restrainers shall be ductile iron heat treated to a minimum hardness of 370 bhn. The wedge screws shall be compressed to the outside wall of the pipe using a shoulder bolt and twist-off nuts to ensure proper actuating of the restraining system. 3. Standard MJ fitting T-bolts and nuts shall be high-strength steel conforming to AWWA C111/A2111-90 and C153/A2153-88. 4. Standard MJ gasket shall be virgin SBR meeting ASTM D2003 BA715 or 3 BA515. E. Maximum sustained working pressure requirements are in Table 1, 4, tests. The engineer may, at no cost to the manufacturer, subject random joint restraint system products to testing by an independent laboratory for compliance with these standards. Any visible defect of failure to meet the quality standards herein shall be ground for rejecting the entire order. 5. Product list. Other approved equal products from other manufacturers meeting these specifications may be submitted for review. A. See table for slip-on joint restraint systems. B. See table for compression ring systems. C. See table for non-metallic restraint joint pipe and D. See table for retainer gland, MJ. E. Reinforced concrete pipe, RCP, for encasement. Reinforced concrete pipe is tongue and groove, Class 3 and conforms to ASTM C76. Jointing material shall conform to the requirements of subarticle 464-2, I, of item 464, reinforced concrete pipe. F. Copper tubing and brass fittings for copper service lines. 1. Copper tubing. All 3/4 inches, 1 inches, 1-1/2 inches, and 2 inches copper tubing for underground service is of the type commercially known as Type K soft and conforms to NSF Standard 61, ASTM designation B88, or latest revision thereof. 3/4 inches and 1 inches copper tubing is furnished in 60 feet. Coils or 100-foot coil as specified, 1-1/2 inches is furnished in 20 feet. Lengths, 40 feet. Coils or 60 feet. Coils as specified and 2 inches is furnished in 20 feet. Lengths or 40 feet. Coils as specified. 2. Brass fittings. Unless otherwise modified herein, Waterworks brass goods consisting of corporation stops, curb stops, couplings, connectors, nipples, etc. shall be required in underground installations of service lines in the water distribution system. The brass composition shall conform to ASTM designation B62 and the threads are to conform to AWWA standard C804 threads for underground service line fittings. All casting shall have a natural, clean, uniform, and smooth surface, and be free from internal porosity. All machining is done in a workmanlike manner and within the acceptable tolerances. Unless otherwise specified, each fitting is furnished with a 1/16 inches thick fiber gasket. All curb stop, corporation and angel valves shall be ball valves. Inverted key, type angle valves will not be accepted. Ball angle valves will not have a stop. Laying dimensions the same as are present inverted key style or equal to Mueller H14258. The reduced port design shall be acceptable provided there is no compromise on flow capacity compared to the inverted key type angle valve.